Hello and welcome to another Multi-Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, as it helps the channel pop up in searches. Okay, so let's put some tyres on our Interceptor. Right, so our tyre needs to come down to, it's around about here really. Shift S, cursor 2 selected, 23. Display our images again. Shift A, mesh, circle. Let's do our 17 inches divided by 2 again. Rotate on the Y. Right. Oh, I've tried 64. They just look like off-road tyres, so I'm thinking, you ever try 128? Yikes. Anyway, right. So let's see how close this has got to here. We do a bit of a scaling. And the 3 again. Extrude, scale. 1. I must have moved the wheel out. What we'll do is we'll just quickly slide them 2 back in there. You'll see why it eventually looks like it's too far in the wheel well. It just doesn't look right. But anyway, we'll deal with that in a moment. And I renamed that as rim. Had to be done. That's selected again. Just Control, not just E, I'll do, and do a extrude X. And go. We'll say that just a little bit further. Good. And that one, come on. Go. It's sure nice have something against me. But 1. Let's have a look at these again. Seeing again. The first time for you, but it's 5 or 6 times for me now. I'm sick of Tyres. There's rear 1, it has an outside, inside, 3 in the centre, a 4 and a 5. But the front has only 3. Where is it gone? Cool. That one? There we can just see it. So, shall control 3. We want 3 sections. Click. Of course, they should have been on edges instead. Select them again. Will be bevel to create that little gap in between the tread. Right. I like these two. Will be. I'll pull them a little bit, just create that edge of the tyre also. Alright, so if we come to the top now, actually no, we need to rotate these edges around a little bit. Get that shot of the rear tyre again. See how they curve a little bit. I'll demonstrate. Thank you. Seal with 2 selected. Basically need to select all the vertical ones. Start again, all the vertical ones. Come on. Right, and I go rotate X. Oops. Again, the trick didn't work. Oh man, rotate X. Come on. Oh, sick of tires. Alright, so deselect them too. Rotate X again. Select them to rotate X again. Deselect them to. Now we're going to rotate these ones the opposite direction. Over here, put an auto smooth on there. Just in case, not going to 40. Right click, it's smooth. Right, so this time at the top. Easier. Missed that one. This is going to be the tread, but looks rather small. Anyway, 64 was too big, so we'll do it. Extrude. Blue lines appeared, so that's already on Z. I'll just pull up just a little bit. See well here. I just remembered what I want. Yeah, select these, yeah. Do scale, shift X. Scale that tire out. Give it this the shape. Scale, shift X again because we don't want it to scale in on itself. I need to just deselect them outside ones. Ooh, missed it. Scale X. Just a little bit. No, scale shift X. You fool. Right. So right. Let's do a current nick out of the. I'm just hoping it's not too thin. So they're on square, they're kind of rectangular, aren't they? To ring. Control B to bevel. There's the little bit. So the scale, the size in there. See, them's quite big. Them's quite big. They are quite big. See, they look pretty much square, don't they? With that little chunk cut out. I really hate tires. So highlight the into 3, highlight these two. I feel that needs to go up there a little bit now. Okay, so do X3, 1, highlight, missed, highlight that, zoom into it, highlight that bottom one, make sure you're on active element, extrude, scale Z, and maybe these two need to go back, they don't look quite right there. Enter 2, oh hang on, 1, all merge, distance, enter 2, Just fill that little gap in there. F twice. So go back to 1 a second. Highlight them. Scale, Shift X again. Just a little bit, round it off. That strange lighting doesn't matter. Once we add another edge in there, that will remove that. And if that's going to be the inside of the tyre, you're not really going to see it, so don't really need to add that little neck out of there. Excuse me, got a tickle. 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 Right, so we now need to select all of these. Can we do it from, it's like this. Again, that's going to leave a huge gap. I have to do a Control R there, and possibly Control R there also. So now we just need to select everything in between them two newly added edges. Make sure you get them in there also. And those that's hiding there, just check around. So, which nose? Go to 1. Sounds crazy. Deselect that last one. Is that gonna? Because this edge here needs to join up with this edge here. So does that edge actually need to stay there? Okay, well, we'll try it like that one. Right, so invert, Control I, X1, D for all. We have our origin there. Open our T menu. Or spin duplicates. Click on the little plus. If the wrong direction is shown, just make sure you've got X clicked in there. Click on the little plus. Use duplicates. Right now we need to increase the steps. So this edge here joins with this edge here. Apologize, little message. Change that to, I'll try 30. Try on 50. Right, we just need them to join up. So it's at 62, 63, 64. I had a feeling it was going to be 64. So A for all, M for merge, distance. Make sure you go back to move and ADT menu because it's not needed. Created a tire. Nothing special. It's literally roughness of 8.8 and a spec of 0.2 with a not quite black. Tires aren't shiny really, or they're reflective. Unless they're brand new. Everything's reflective to a point, but not just yet. It's kind of an old tire now, isn't it? Right, let's see. I think that looks better than the last one. Let's still too much gap in there, which I'm not happy with. I think what I should have done is deleted that back line. Hey, what? One of them situations again. Undo. And we'll delete that back line. X1. All. Open your team menu. Again, don't get attached to models because something always happens. Alright, can't really see what's happened there, so we'll reduce these a few. Oh, use duplicates, that's what's wrong with it. Right, so that was probably okay, wasn't it? Ooh, we're going a bit further this time. Go on. 7, 8. 85? Oof, 86, is that just too far? 85, I reckon. Now though, since there's a slight gap there, what we need to do as we merge, we'll do a click on your move, hide your team menu because you don't need it, A for all, merge by distance. And it looks like there's still a little few gaps there, so risk taking a 0 out of there. There we go. Nice. Got our tyre material back on there. Oh, that's better. Oh, better. Right then, put one. See, it's just too far. Doesn't look right, does it? So I'm looking for a thumbnail. Oh, looking awesome that now. Way to get that bigger wheel in the back there. Right, so Control S, do save. And I'll catch you in the next one.